Welcome folks, welcome to the channel. My name is Peter and today we are buying yet another flip car. So I'm sitting here in my van preparing to take off, and make sure to subscribe, like and share this video because this is going to be wild. We are gonna take a crashed car, repair it on spot and drive it 100 miles, 3-hour drive home on the back roads. So follow me on this journey. So as you can see, it's drizzling out. And there in the corner is my failed project, my failed Fiesta that you will have a pop-up icon on the screen so you can check that out. And let's go out and let's go talk what we will do. So for those of you who don't know what this car is and why it's apart, this is my 2004 Ford Fiesta that I bought for $450. I tried to road trip it home and the engine blew up on the way. I bought a replacement engine and I destroyed that engine also. So I didn't check this car thoroughly, and this car runs on liquid propane gas, LPG. So that's what was the main reason why I bought it, but that's also the reason why this car is going to the crusher, and that's because there is a tank inside that has a 10-year lifespan and then costs like $500 to replace. And my budget on this, I'm already at $1,000 in this, and this car will bring $1,500. So I'm trying to salvage my money out of this. So we are going to take the front end parts of this car, drive 100 miles with the van, rebuild the damaged Fiesta there on the spot, and we will try to road trip it home. This is going to be fun, so stay tuned. I'm gonna pull the bonnet, the hood, and load everything up in the van, load my tools and all my stuff, and we will tomorrow at 6 a.m. we will depart and we will try to make this home. Alright, the Fiesta is back on the ground, jack stands and the jack we are bringing with us, and after we get that second one home we will assess the damage and we'll see what else we do need from this car. So, but this car is going to be scrapped. So right, the van is loaded. As you can see, we have tools, compressor, hood, bumper, core support, air filter and buckets, jack stands, jack, washer bottle, oil and jump pack, and I think we got what we need. And the headlights and the grill, of course. And we will hit 352,000 kilometers in a while. Alright, so let's go fill her up, and tomorrow we are beginning our road trip. as you can see behind me, we made it. We made the 100+ miles journey home and 3 hours of driving. I think this is the best way to test these flip vehicles, to drive them home. It drove no issues. We had a little bit of clunking from the exhaust, so we need to check that. And this is going to be it for this video. So if you want to see more work being done on this Fiesta, because we need to change that fender and change the power steering hose, if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe, like this video, give me a comment, so I know you like it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.